Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates.
How to check your credit card summary on HDFC Bank Internet Banking. Open your favorite browser. Go to hdfcbank.com. Now click on the login button at the top right corner of the page. Select Net Banking from the drop-down menu. You will be navigated to Net Banking login page. Enter your customer ID or user ID. Click on Continue. Now enter your password. Click Login. You are logged into your HDFC Bank Internet Banking account. In the top menu bar, hover your mouse over Pay. Under the Card section, click on Credit Cards from the drop-down menu. You will be navigated to Your Credit Cards page where all the credit cards linked to your account are displayed. Active cards are shown at the top of the page. Inactive cards can be found below. Now click the arrow button next to your active credit card. You will be taken to the credit card summary page. On this page, you can view your current outstanding balance, total credit limit, remaining credit limit, and the reward points you have earned. In the credit card bill section, you can see details such as billing date, total amount due, minimum amount due, and the due date. This is how you can check your credit card summary on HDFC Bank Internet Banking. Thank you for watching.